Hi there, everybody. This is Zombie Frog 9612. I want you to hear something so funny. And hold on, shh, don't say her name. Hold on, guys. Did y'all hear her? That is so funny. She just. She knocked out cold. Oh man. I was want to record something today, and so I did. I was kind of happy about it because in Overcome, that someone stole my cable out of my wall of my apartment, where I couldn't get cable for the living room, which the cable was out for a couple weeks. Then some little kid at my complex, somebody stole my yellow zombie sign, and I'm so upset because it's like not why would some little kid or somebody do that? But of course, as everybody was saying to me, you're living in the complex, so deal with it. But I don't have to do it. I don't want to. This is my stuff. Go steal your own. You know what I mean? I mean, how do you feel? How would you feel? I put a sign out there, and I told them, do not touch my table, leave my decorations alone. If I catch you, I will call the police and tell them that there was a theft. So that's my sign, and I swear to God I made one. I am tired of these little kids. My neighbor told me she saw my solar lights on the ground, like just right there, almost in a pile. And she told me, "Yeah, I thought you put that down there." That was strange. I was like, "Oh no, why would I do that?" I said, "No, I wouldn't do that. That's dumb in itself, you know." But as I said, things happen, right? So I'll catch him. I'm gonna have to hurry up and save me some money so I can buy a ring, the ring doorbell or something, and the video thing, whatever, and catch these people or kids or whoever. But anyways, I put some more little stuff up around that perimeter of my table, so that way maybe it'll deter them to try to go in there and take it down. Who knows? They're just kids, I guess, but still, keep your little sticky paws off my stuff, you know? Alright, you guys, I just wanted you to hear my pooch snoring. She had a nice little walk. So anyways, alright you guys, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and leave a thumbs up for me, okay? Alright y'all, be safe, and I shall talk to you guys soon and see another video or something, alright?
And put the bell on and hit the red thing in the
subscribe button. Yeah. Alright y'all, we out. Bye. Take care.